Hello, I'm Josh, and if you're new to my channel, Mr. Plumber, I'll be guiding you through your plumbing projects. So leave a comment with your video request and be sure to subscribe and show your support with a thumbs up.
Both basket strainers are leaking and they're getting stuck, so I have to cut it off. It should be. I just cut the top nut. I didn't cut all the way through the basket strainer. I take a flat screwdriver and put it right in where the saw blade was, and I pry it out just a little bit, and then that ring will just come right off of there. Okay, when you go to put the new one in, the basket strainer, this goes on top, the rubber goes underneath, and then the cardboard one goes in between the rubber and your nut. It's called a friction ring. So when it sticks on there, it slides instead of sticking. When you stick, it'll spread this gasket way out there. So if you lay them down to the side and you forget what it is, remember, the rubber always goes against the sink, cardboard against the nut. Go ahead and get you some plumber's putty out. And then some people use countertop to roll it, but you don't have to. If you can put the big wad in your hand and just rub together, it'll stretch itself out for you. And then place it around the basket strainer. I always like to have the slot here facing this way. I think it looks funny if it goes this way, but that's up to you. Put it in there, mash down kind of hard. You can pick off the access that's on the underneath here, and take the rubber, put it on, cardboard, and the nut.